Okay, this lesson is for Monday. It goes along with page 25 in the math packet. All right, so today you actually only have one page to do. It's page 25, and on that page you're given some math add-ins to add, and they're asking you to add up 4 add-ins and to get the sum. So add those up. So before we get into that, I want to review a little bit using some smaller numbers. All right, so back in the fall, we had done this kind of a lesson. And what I taught you guys to do was when we're adding more than one number, you could just go in order. Yes, that does work, but there's some tricks. One of the tricks is to look for doubles. Another trick is to look for tens. And another thing is just start with the largest number. So here I go. When I go to this first one, I happen to see a double fact in there. I see 3 plus 3. So I'm going to add that up first. 3 plus 3. We know our double facts quickly. That's why I like to use that as a strategy. 3 plus 3 is 6. All right, now I get to add 5 more to that, and then 2 more. So here we go. 6 plus 5, I know that is 11, and 2 more, 12, 13. My answer is 13. Okay, then I'm going to do this one. So now this one, I don't see any double facts. I don't see a 7 plus 7 or a 3 plus 3, but I do see something that equals 10. I see 7 plus 3, and I know 7 plus 3 is 10, so I'm going to do that first. All right, that's 10. Now, I know 4 plus 1 is 5. So now really I'm just doing 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? Hopefully you're saying 15. And then the last one. Now the last one over here, I don't see any doubles. There's nothing that equals 10. So I could just go in order. Yes, I can get the right answer doing that. Some kids like to put polka dots, 2 polka dots, then 3, then 5, then 7, 4, so forth. I'm not going to do that one today. I'm just going to start with the largest. Helps my brain out. We call that the grandpa in class. So ready? Start with the largest. My largest is 7, and I'm going to go in order. What's 7 plus 5? Okay, 7 plus 5 is 12. The next biggest is 4, so I'm going to do 12 plus 4, 13, 14, 15, 16. Go up to 16, and I'm going to add the 2 more, 17, 18. And I get my answer of 18. Okay, so that's just something that can help us when we're adding more than 2 numbers together. So now this one takes it up to our 2nd grade level where we're doing not just numbers that are small, but numbers that are larger. I'm going to go ahead and erase this. All right. And you guys, I bet you can guess what I'm going to say. I don't like it this way. I don't like it horizontal. I like it vertical. Okay, so I'm going to set it up this way. 45 plus 38 plus 62 plus 15. Now I put my stripe down the middle. Okay, so I have a choice. I can do it with blocks if I wanted to. I could do it just counting up my ones first. Here are my ones, and then my tens. Okay, you have a choice on how you want to do it. Let's do it this first time, counting up just the ones. Here we go. Do I see anything that equals 10? Or maybe a double fact? I see both. I'm going to do my double fact first. What is 5 plus 5? 5 plus 5 is 10. All right, now I see something that equals 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. Guess what we do now? This is so much easier. No fingers needed. 10 plus 10. What's 10 plus 10? Yes, it's 20. All right, we know we can't just put the 0 down. We have to regroup 2 10s over here. There we go. So there's our 20, 2 and the 0. All right, now I have 5 numbers to add up. So let's see. Does anything equal 10 or a double fact? I don't see any doubles, but I see something that equals 10. I'm going to start there. I see 6 and 4. 6 and 4 I know is 10. All right, I'll add the 3. 10, 11, 12, 13. So up to 13, 14, 15. Plus the 1 more, 16. I put this 6 here. Up. I can put the 1 into my hundredths pile up here. Okay, now I've got 1 plus nothing. Brings it down to 1. The answer is 160. Okay, I want to do that again. This time I want to do it with blocks. So let's see if I can erase everything. I'm going to write the question before I erase everything so I remember it. I'm going to write it over here. 62 and 15. All right. Now I can race. I apologize if you're hearing noise. I've got the ice maker going upstairs, the dog barking. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but hopefully it's not distracting you too much. All right, so here we go. 45. I'm going to draw the blocks. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Adding 38 to it. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. This should look familiar. We've done things like this in class many times. 62, 10, 20, 30, 40, 60, 61, 62. And finally, 15, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You know what I'm going to say? We're going to start with the ones. Add up the ones. Do you think I can make 10? I bet I can. That's a lot of ones there. Maybe I could even make 20. All right, let's count them. I'm going to circle 10 of them. Let's see if I can regroup them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of these. I'm just going to double count. Make sure it's the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what am I going to say? Goodbye, 10 little ones. I'm turning you into a big 10. Boom. There it is. All right. Can I circle 10 more? Let's try it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I sure can, and that is all of them. All right. What do I say? Again, goodbye, 10 little ones. But I'm turning you into a big 10, which is why we have 2 extra 10s than we were doing it before. You saw me draw 2 10s up there. We had 0 1s left. And then we add all of our 10s. So here we go. 1. I can count 1, 2, or I can count by 10s. Okay, let's count by ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 10s. 16 10s. Let's count by 10s and see how that sounds when I actually count by the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. And we have 0 1s. All right, 160. Hopefully this was helpful. See you next time. Bye.